Are meal replacements worth the hype? Well, today we're diving into the question, is Huel actually good? From its nutrition claims to its taste and convenience, we'll break it all down so you can decide if the right fit for your lifestyle. Also, if you haven't tried Huel yet, you can use my link down below to get $15 off your first order. What is Huel and why is it so popular? Huel, short for human fuel, is a complete meal replacement designed to provide balanced nutrition in a quick and convenient format. Whether you're choosing the powder, ready-to-drink bottles, or bars, Huel claims to deliver all the essential nutrients your body needs. Its popularity has skyrocketed among busy professionals, fitness enthusiasts, and even students looking for a healthy yet time-efficient meal option. But the question still remains, is it actually good? One of Huel's main selling points is its promise of convenience without compromising the nutritional value. Each meal is packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Unlike traditional fast food, it's plant-based, gluten-free, and tailored to fit various dietary needs. But convenience aside, how does it measure up in terms of health benefits, taste, and overall value? The nutritional breakdown. Is Huel healthy? Huel's overall biggest strength is its impressive nutritional profile. Each serving is carefully formulated to meet your macronutrient needs. With a balance of carbohydrates, fats, protein, and fiber, it's also fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, ensuring you get a well-rounded meal. But does it live up to its claim of being an actually completed food? One of the standout features is its high protein content, typically around 20 to 30 grams per serving. This makes it a great option for those looking to build muscle or maintain a high protein diet. Huel is also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full for longer. On the micronutrient side, Huel ticks many boxes, offering everything from vitamin D and iron to omega-3 fatty acids. However, some critics argue that relying on meal replacements like Huel might not be ideal for long-term health. Fresh, whole foods often contain additional phytonutrients and antioxidants that processed options may lack. So while Huel can be a fantastic tool for busy days, it's important to pair it with a diverse diet. Taste and texture. Is it a hit or a miss? When it comes to meal replacements, taste can be a deal breaker, and Huel is no exception. The brand offers a range of flavors from classics like vanilla and chocolate to adventurous options like salted caramel and berry. But how do they really taste? Huel's texture is often described as smooth yet slightly gritty, especially in its powdered form. For some, this is an acquired taste, while others may struggle with it initially. The ready-to-drink versions tend to have a creamier consistency, making them a popular choice for first-timers. And as for flavor, options vary widely. Fans appreciate the subtle, natural sweetness of options like vanilla, while critics find certain flavors to bland and overly artificial. To enhance the experience, many users customize their Huel by blending it with fruits, nut butter, or even coffee. These hacks not only improve the taste, but also add a variety to your meals. Ultimately though, taste is subjective, and experimenting with different flavors and formats can help you find your perfect match. Convenience. Does Huel fit into a busy lifestyle? One of the biggest draws of Huel is its convenience. Whether you're rushing to a meeting, hitting the gym, or simply don't feel like cooking, Huel offers a quick and easy solution. With just a scoop of powder, water, and shake, and you've got a meal ready in seconds. For those who prefer the grab and go options, the ready-to-drink bottles are an absolute game changer. These pre-mixed meals are perfect for keeping in your bag, car, or office desk. They also are great for travelers who need a reliable food option on the road. Huel's shelf life is another great point in its favor. Unlike fresh meals, which spoil fairly quickly, Huel products can last for months, making them a practical choice for meal prepping. However, it's worth noting that while Huel is convenient, it's not always the cheapest option. Depending on how often you use it, the cost can add up, especially if you're replacing multiple meals a day. With that said, many users feel the time saved and nutritional value make it worth the overall investment. Is Huel good for weight management? If you're looking to manage your weight, Huel can be a valuable tool. Each serving is pre-portioned, making it easy to track your calorie intake without the guesswork. For those aiming to lose weight, substituting 1 or 2 meals with Huel can help reduce overall calorie consumption while ensuring you still get essential nutrients. On the flip side though, Huel is equally effective for those trying to gain weight or build muscle. By simply increasing the number of servings or blending Huel with calorie-dense add-ins like nut butter, you can create a high-calorie, nutrient-rich shake. The key to using Huel for weight management lies in balance. While it can simplify meal planning, it's important to incorporate other whole foods into your diet to ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients. Additionally, focusing on portion control and regular exercise will maximize your results. Environmental impact. Is Huel a sustainable choice? There's no doubt sustainability is a growing concern for many consumers, and Huel positions itself as an environmentally friendly option. As a plant-based product, it has a low carbon footprint compared to animal-based meals. The use of recyclable packaging further reinforces its commitment to eco-conscious practices. Huel also tends to highlight its efforts to reduce food waste. Unlike perishable foods that often end up in the trash, Huel's long shelf life ensures that you can use every last scoop. Additionally, its efficient production process minimizes resource use, making it a smart choice for those looking to lower their environmental impact. However, it's important to note that while Huel is more sustainable than many alternatives, it's not entirely free of environmental concerns. The production and transportation of ingredients, as well as the reliance on plastic packaging, still contribute to the overall footprint. With that said though, choosing Huel over less sustainable options is a step in the right direction. So the final verdict, is Huel actually good? So is Huel actually good? Well, the answer largely depends on your goals and your lifestyle. For those seeking convenience, balanced nutrition, and a sustainable meal option, Huel delivers on its promises. Its high protein and nutrient content make it an excellent choice for busy individuals, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone really looking to simplify their diet. With that said though, Huel isn't perfect by any means. Its taste and texture may take some time getting used to, and it's not a complete replacement for whole fresh foods. It's best used as a complement to a balanced diet rather than a sole source of nutrition. Overall though, Huel offers a practical, nutritious, and environmentally friendly solution for modern meal needs. If you're curious, give it a try. You might just find that it fits seamlessly into your life. The community behind Huel, a supportive network. One of the most often overlooked aspects of Huel is the community that is formed around the brand. From online forums to dedicated social media groups, Huel users are quick to share their experience, tips, and recipes. This sense of camaraderie makes it easier for newcomers to adapt and learn creative ways to incorporate Huel into their everyday lives. So, for example, many Huel enthusiasts experiment with mixing the powder into smoothies, pancakes, or even baking recipes, which adds variety and makes the experience much more enjoyable. This creative approach not only enhances the flavor, but also demonstrates the product's versatility. And even beyond the recipes, the community also serves as a space for motivation and accountability. Whether it's sharing fitness journeys, weight loss milestones, or time-saving hacks, the support from like-minded individuals can really be inspiring. Additionally, Huel has a huge presence on platforms like Instagram, where the brand is actively engaging with its users. They share customer stories, provide tips, and encourage open dialogue about their product. This level of engagement creates a sense of trust and transparency, which many users deeply value. And being part of a supportive community can make the transition to meal replacements feel less intimidating and more rewarding and fun. If you're considering trying Huel, connecting with this network could enhance your overall experience. And so there you have it. We explored the question, is Huel actually good? Whether you're a busy professional, a fitness buff, or just curious about meal replacements, Huel might be worth a shot. Also, if you haven't tried Huel yet, you can use my link down below to get $15 off your first order. But yeah, let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights like this. And with all that said, I hope y'all have a great day. Peace out.